Hey, welcome to Wednesday. This is the 30th time I've recorded this video, so let's hope this goes better. Go in, after you're watching these very important directions, you go into map exploration. It'll look different for you than me, so just go to my assignment. It should be there. And then you'll have a copy of map exploration. You want to open that up. When you do that, if it tells you that you do not have access, just go up and refresh. Don't ask me why. It should always work. School usually does the most. That almost always fixes it. So if you run into that issue, just hit refresh. It'll be fine. Open up your assignment. You have your learning target for the day, which is I can discover what makes a useful map. And the directions, which are use the questions to help you carefully observe each map. So you are basically breaking down 7 different maps. And the idea isn't not just to answer the question. The idea is to kind of see what do these maps have that help us read them? What makes a good map? And these questions are here to guide you. We are doing them in Google Slides because you can write your answers right under the questions, but also you can draw symbols. So our first question for every map will be, what is this map about and how do you know? Looking at this map, I'm guessing it's roller coasters in the US. And I won't spell that out for you because I can't spell and it's very embarrassing. So we're just going to move past that. So how do you know part? So after you write roller coasters in the United States, you're going to want to prove to us, well, how did I learn that? It might seem obvious, but we still kind of want you to show your thinking. So you take an arrow up here and you're like, well, right here. If you want to make it bigger, you can. If you want to do the absolute most and do different colors, go for it. But yeah, basically you break down each one. And then you get to the final analysis, which is what do you think are the 5 most important things that a map has to help you understand what is being shown? And then you kind of look through your different answers and you're like, all right, so what did every good map have? What seems to be really important to help someone understand the information that this map is displaying? So once you are done, go back into Schoology and you're going to want to hit submit my assignment. I promise you I will not grade your assignment until you submit it. So please always submit your assignments when you are done or else your teacher will not know that you ever finished it. Submit your assignments. So last things before we go. When you are done, you are going to basically check your answers / what we really wanted you to learn for the day. You have 2 options. If you would like to, stop hearing my annoying voice so much, you have these slides to go through and you can read them on your own and get her done at your own speed. That is up to you. Or, some inception here, watching a Stahlmann video inside of a Stahlmann video. All about map features, what a map means for you. All of the views. But basically, I break down each little map or each little feature and give a little bit extra information. So if you like to listen and that kind of helps you learn, that is my advice there. And then before you leave, we have a little exit ticket for you to do. It is super easy. You basically go and then it'll look different for you once again. But you start an attempt and then you just gotta match up your features like so. And then hit submit. Good luck.